Hi everyone, this is the review of the rocket booster from Engine Sentai Go-Onger. In the show, it was called the Rocket Dagger, but the toy version name was changed to the Rocket Booster to show respect for the stabbing victim of the Akibahara incident in Akibahara, Japan, which occurred around the time when the Go-On Wing first debuted. However, in the show, they still call it the Rocket Dagger. Throughout the review, I'll be using the term Rocket Dagger because they use that term in the show, so I'll be using that term in this review as well. Before we get to the actual review, I want to show you guys the instruction. Usually I don't show you guys the instruction, but the instruction caught my eye because it does have like English writing on them. So it's like they have English language on them. Usually the instruction nowadays doesn't have English writing on them, so here to say installation of battery, how you put the battery in. Here is the on and off switch, and these are the task switch or the mission switch. And here is how you turn it on and off, start up the rocket booster. And they say it does have LED at the hilt, but for some reason mine is like misfunction, or like it doesn't work at my hilt, at the sword hilt. But the light right here, it does work though. So back to the instruction. This caught my eye, the attack sound game. So I'll show you what the attack are. So it's a task 1, but in the show it's called mission 1. But here it's number 1 is flame attack, number 2 is ice attack, number 3 is electric shock attack, number 4 is light attack, 5 is vacuum attack, and 6 is full power attack, or it could be jet mode, I guess. So it can make the Go-On Wing to fly and attack their enemy for the final attack. And that is it for the instruction. It does show how to connect how to do the wing booster combination. So if you have to go on the Go-Onger wing trigger, you can connect the Rocket Dagger with it, so to form the wing trigger. And you can use any engine saw or chainsaw if you want to make the sound work for the wing booster. So that is it for the instruction. That just caught my eye, so let's get to the actual review. Alright, here is the Rocket Dagger or the Rocket Booster, or in America is the Cloud Hatchet out of the box. So let's get started. So to turn on, here's a little knob that says turn off and on. So you want to turn it on. So, you're gonna twist it, and you hear that activation noise. So here's when you press the trigger, you get the generic slashing noise. There's light here and light in the bottom, but mine I think is malfunction. But at least there's light somewhere. So here's the flashing noise. So in the show they have, let me see, the total of 6 missions. So we'll go over all of them. So mission 1, you flip up number 1. You flip up the switch number 1. So number 1 is Burning Dagger. Burning Dagger, or in America is slash mode, which is the dagger is in flame and it bursts out flame to the enemy. Alright, the second mode is Freezing Dagger, or ice mode. So once you flip up the switch, when you press the trigger, it will repeat the sound of the activating noise. So number 3 will be Lightning Dagger, or lightning mode. The only time the narrator will say the name of the attack will be whenever you flip the switch, the first trigger you push. Right. For number 4, mode 4 will be Shining Dagger, or energy mode. So you will be flipping 3 and 1. Again, this will be Shining Dagger or Energy mode. Again, nothing. Right. So number 5 will be Shooting Dagger or Laser mode. You will flip number 3 and 2 will equal 5. Also note, it doesn't say what mode it is. It does say what mode, but it doesn't say the name, like, for example, like Shooting Dagger. So again. Right. Last but not least, Mission 6. It will be full power, so Jet Dagger or Jet mode. So you will flip all 3. This is their final attack, or whenever the Go-On wing need to fly, they put jet mode, so mission 6, and also that will be the final attack. So again, now I'll be go over how to attach this with the wing trigger. So if you have the wing trigger, like I do right here, you guys have to check out this review. You guys can go ahead. I'll link it up in the, or I'll put it up in the info card for you guys. So the engine saw is not here. First, I'll show you how it works with the chainsaw. Whoever doesn't have the other engine saw, I'll put it in. I'll do a transformation. There's a sneak peek. So how to attach it, you have a little red clear plastic knob, I guess, and this will slide into here. And how it works is there's like a little switch right here, where when you pull the trigger, there's a little tab. When you push it, when you push this trigger, it will pop up like that. So that's a search mode. So let's combine it. Let's see if I can do this. So you want the tip of the sword going first. So this, while you're putting it in, this will push down, so it will allow clearance for the dagger to go in. So you want to push the dagger down and attach. There's no activation noise or anything. That will be called the wing booster, or in Power Ranger it is called Sky Shift Blazer. The show is this sound is very accurate to the show. Again, you will have light at the bottom of the rocket, but mine is malfunction, so it doesn't. But here we go again. Yeah. So if you want to put engine saw in, so I have Torter here. I would do jetters, but I don't have jetters yet. So if I do, once I get jetters, I will do a review on the engine saw in that review with the wing booster. So open this up. So there's no there's no way to control the sounding of Torpter with the blaster. In the show, it makes the sound and then Torpter will say something after the blast noise. Torpter set. And blast. You will hear Torpter hear his phrase first and then the boost. The fire noise. So there's no way to control Torpter talk or phrase while after the booster sound. So again. Again. Alright, final one again. Let's see what happens if you hold it. Or you can hold it. Right, yeah. So that is it for the Rocket Dagger review. Oh, so to detach, you want to pull this part down and then just slide the dagger off. Alright, that is all for the Rocket Dagger review. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to comment and subscribe for more video. Remember to hit that bell icon in order for you to be notified for future video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter for more Transformer, Nerf, Voltron, and Power Ranger content. PR98 signing out.